Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, how many lines of symmetry does a circle have? If a line divides a figure into two parts such that when the figure or that shape is folded about the line, the two parts of the figure coincide. The two parts of the figure coincide. Then the line is known as line of symmetry. Then that line is known as line of symmetry. Therefore, here for a circle, we can observe there are infinite lines of symmetry about its diameter. Therefore, a circle has an infinite number of lines of symmetry along the diameter. So our correct option is option B.